Have you ever asked yourself, are we living in a matrix or caught up in a relentless rat race? It's a question that's been puzzling philosophers and dreamers alike for centuries. Are we truly free, or are we merely pawns in a game far beyond our understanding? Are we running a race we didn't sign up for, chasing dreams that aren't our own? It's time to dive deep into these concepts and explore the reality we are living in. First, let's unpack the concept of the matrix. Imagine a world that feels as tangible as the one you're in right now. You can touch, see, hear, taste, and smell everything around you. It's as real as reality can get, right? But what if I told you this could all be a simulation, a virtual reality created by ultra-advanced technology? Let's picture this. You've probably experienced a moment of déjà vu, a fleeting sensation that you've lived this moment before. It's often brushed off as a quirk of the mind, but in the context of the Matrix, it could be a glitch, a brief hiccup in the coding of your simulated reality. Or consider dreams that feel so vivid, so tangible, that you wake up questioning if they were indeed just dreams. Could these be another aspect of the Matrix, a blurring of lines between artificial and actual reality? The Matrix, in theory, is a complex web spun by artificial intelligence, creating a world so convincing that it's indistinguishable from the real one. It's a grand illusion, a world created by machines for us to live in, creating a reality that can be manipulated at will. So, in essence, the Matrix is a world that feels real. But is it really? Now let's transition to the concept of the rat race. Imagine running endlessly on a treadmill. You're moving, but you're not really going anywhere, right? That's what the rat race feels like. It's this never-ending, self-defeating pursuit of financial success or societal approval that keeps us stuck in a loop. Picture this. You're working a 9-to-5 job day in and day out. You're hustling hard, trying to climb the corporate ladder, hoping for a better position, a higher salary. But in the process, you're so consumed by work that you barely have time for personal fulfillment. You're living, but are you really experiencing life? Or maybe you're chasing after material possessions. A bigger house, a fancier car, designer clothes. You're constantly buying, but are you truly satisfied? Or are you just trying to fill a void that material possessions can't fill? The rat race isn't just about money or status. It's about this illusion that these are the only measures of success. It's about the societal pressure to conform to these standards, even if they don't align with our personal values or aspirations. And the worst part? We often don't realize we're caught in this cycle. We're like hamsters on a wheel, running tirelessly but never really moving forward. We're sacrificing our time, our health, our relationships, all for what? The illusion of success? The rat race, then, is a cycle that keeps us running but never really getting anywhere. You may ask, what does the Matrix have to do with the rat race? Well, allow me to paint a picture that connects these seemingly disparate concepts. The Matrix and the rat race are both systems of control, invisible structures that shape our lives in ways we often fail to notice. They limit our personal freedom, confine us within boundaries that we didn't choose, and prevent us from realizing our true potential. The Matrix is the world that's been pulled over our eyes, a fabricated reality that keeps us from seeing the truth. It's the system that tells us what to think, what to believe, and how to live. Similarly, the rat race is an endless, self-defeating pursuit, a lifestyle we're coerced into, where we're constantly running but never really moving. Both the Matrix and the rat race are constructs that keep us trapped in a cycle of conformity and compliance. They make us believe that there's only one way to live, one path to follow. But is that really the case? Consider your own life. Are you living in a matrix? Are you caught up in a rat race? Are you truly free, or are you bound by invisible chains? It's time to question our reality, to challenge the systems that have been imposed upon us. Only then can we break free and truly live life on our own terms. The Matrix and the rat race are not just concepts but realities that we need to acknowledge and challenge to lead a fulfilling life. As we conclude, remember this: the Matrix and the rat race are constructs that often cloud our perceptions. By questioning our reality, we challenge these constructs, opening doors to a more fulfilling existence. Never stop asking questions, for that's how you escape the Matrix and break free from the rat race.